Google is bringing social media smarts to make its AI overviews, AI mode, and AI-generated portions of its search engine better. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Google's taking help from expert blogs and forums like Reddit that can appear in AI responses. Google will display a preview of perspectives from public online discussions, social media, and other first-hand sources. In the sample screenshot the company provided, the section was called Expert Advice and included quotes from WordPress, blogs, and Reddit. These were arranged above links in their respective sources. Google plans to add more context to these links too, like showing a creator's name, handle, or community name so you can judge what to do with it. Google will also recommend articles at the end of AI responses to dive deep into the given topic and link to more sources in its generated answers rather than just at the end. And if you've subscribed to any publications, AI responses will also highlight sources from those subscriptions linked to your Google account as well. Since AI is booming, AI overviews and AI mode have been pretty useful since Google launched them in 2024. Pulling info from Reddit and other online social platforms is a new strategy for Google. But now Google plans to cite the platform more prominently, as Reddit is considered to be a more useful source of information than Google by some. Google claimed that its AI search tools were leading to more searches and more high-quality clicks on the website it cites in 2025. With AI overviews and AI mode, you don't have to click away to another website at all because Google's already pulled out the answer for you. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.